Of course my button breaks. Hi, chat. Oh, that's not it. Oh, no. That's it. Hi, chat. Oh, wow. This is like the first time I'm properly talking this morning, and I did not realize how bad my voice sounded. Surprise, I have no voice. It's fine. It was going to be a short stream anyway. We're vibing. We're existing. Everything is fine. Stream cord has not gone out. I don't know if my notification has gone out. We're going to give it a minute because it's a weird stream time. Weird stream time. Oh man, I'm a hot mess. Hello, hello, Academy Pigs. Welcome, welcome. And hello, Liz. Congrats on being first. See, like, if I kind of push my voice up, like, a little bit, it doesn't sound as bad, I don't think. So we're gonna do that and pretend everything's fine. It's gonna be a short stream anyway, because I have to a road trip. Hi, hello, KMP. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. It's fine. It's fine. I don't even feel that bad. My voice is just gone. Everything's fine. We're vibing. Anyway, how are we, chat? How's everybody's day going? Nice and early in the day. The first ever Rinzian noon stream. I think I did one at like... I think 10 in the morning. Right, way back in last February when I started streaming, I'm pretty sure I did one morning stream. And I was like, I'm never doing this again. Let me dehydrate. That sucks. I could unpause it, or I could not, because it would be funny. Hello, Nons. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Noonsian, indeed. Oh, there's a hydrate. Oh, come on. It was just broken for Liz. It's fine. It's fine. I'm hydrating. How about your day? My day's pretty good. I had a lazy morning. Did some packing. I am getting in my car, like, right after stream, and driving for a couple hours for a wedding. So that's why we are early-zian today. Hey, hello, Linny. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. But also, chat. Oh, there we go. Stream cord's gone out. We love to see it. Chat. Chat, you know what happens at 2:30 today? I'm gonna let that sit. Why is my music obnoxiously loud? Maybe it's just because I'm quiet. We'll turn her down a smidge. Alright, let's just jump in. We're back on the 1.19 survival. I want to do a little bit of work on the temple before I have to drive. And my buttons aren't working. Of course they aren't. Thank you, OBS. Very cool. And another hydrate. Hydrating. Boom. All right. Is it nighttime? That's gross. No, thank you. Nope, not doing that. I hope I don't sound too terrible, chat. I feel like I sound terrible, but I always do. Okay, so that was happening there. I believe last time we were here, we were doing, yeah, this thing. And I think the move right now is going to be getting a bunch more mud bricks. I think that's the move, chat. Hey, hello, Beezybug. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. I have shovels for this reason exactly. Actually, no, I made these shovels for the sand, but we'll pretend it was this reason. All right, let's get a little bit out of the way and just... Oh, that's Womble's house. We'll go this way. I think I have enough wheat. I got a bunch, I think. Yo, Ashino, I hope I said that right. Thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. Every night chat. Hello, Marble. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Anyway, no, hopefully I don't sound too terrible, chat. Like I said, I feel pretty much fine. My throat just hurts a little bit because I lost it, my voice at work. Everything's fine. I don't know how this works. That's so weird. We're just gonna leave that there. I don't trust it. I said my name very much right. Fantastic. That's what I like to hear. Well, welcome to chat. Hope you're doing well. Anyway, we're vibing, chat. Oh, man. Anyway, no. Chat. Who knows what happens at 2:30 today? Show of hands. Yoink. Let's just go till this shovel is dead, I think. Bap, 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 bap. Go down a bit. Why not? Raise his hand. Okay, we got one. YouTube video? Indeed, indeed. Chat, my grand return to YouTube is today at 2:30 EST. Mark your calendars. Set your alarms. My video, yeah. My big return. So that's 2.5 hours, less than. Teehee, teehee. Oh, it's right. I'm like, where is my wheat? It's there. It's there. It's there. I have arrived. Welcome, rabbity frogs. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. That is not what I wanted to do. Yo, kind boy Bibby. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome, welcome. How was your stream? What did you do? Tell me everything. GS, I've set the timer. We love to see it. All right, let's just start with those, honestly. Rabbity frogs. Thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. What do you depend on oranges? I love oranges. Solid fruit. Good fruit. Thank you for the lurk, Liz. I appreciate you. And Lady, I hope I said that right. Thank you so much for the follow as well. Really appreciate it. Wait, so VR, then my Oculus died. Oh no. Well, I hope you had fun before it died. Where am I going? This way. I did? Well, that's good to hear at least. Okay, I don't know what's going to happen at the top here, but we're going to ignore that problem for now. Your stream is chill. Oh, thank you, thank you. That's what we like to hear. Uh-oh. Anyway, chat, yes. Today, in less than 2.5 hours, the YouTube video comes out. YouTube.com/Rinzian. Or exclamation point YouTube in the chat. I'll do it for you. Don't be shy. There we go. Drop a cheeky little sub. Did I get that hydrate? I think I did. I got another one just in case. Okay. See, this is gonna be a bit weird. I don't think we can do it on all sides. How's that gonna look if I do that? Because then it runs into this. That's not terrible, I guess. Like I said, I don't know what's gonna happen up here. I'm just completely making this up as I go. Horseshoe crabs have 10 eyes. That is horrifying. Thank you. And another hydrate. Boom, I have hydrated. How? See, I guess in theory we could do something like this. Ah, not that. Actually, this might look kind of cool. Frog. Okay, wait, I don't hate that. I feel like that actually kind of works. But then I don't know what to do up here. Could just do sandstone. Or, hold on, hold the phone. Everybody slow down. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, there it goes. How does that look? No, I think I liked the block better. I think the block looked better. What do we think, chat? Do I have cobblestone for another pickaxe? Well, this is unfortunate. Time to steal. Time to steal. Yeah, my username of horseshoe crabs are my favorite animal. That's iconic. I love that. Time to rob. Is there like more? Can I take more? No, I'll just take 3. I'll just take 3. I'll just take 3. You could try a slab. Oh, shoot. I think that's the move. I think that's the move, actually. Big brain. Welcome to chat, lady, as well. Hope you're doing well. Rin Tarsal! Hi, I have no voice, if you couldn't tell. Do I own sticks? Oh, I do have sticks, thank God. Yep. There we go. Then let's do that. Oh no, what happened? Work happened. Which is funny because no one in chat knows where I work. Oh, yep, that's definitely the move. Oh, that's fantastic. Chat coming in clutch once again. Honestly, kind of want one up here too. That's cute. Probably wants to be cut sandstone, but we'll leave it there for now. Is it an early bird stream so you can send me a VOD video? No, it's an early bird stream because I have to get in a car and drive to a wedding. But yeah, it's close. This is looking decent. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this at all, actually. Kind of want to do something on the top of the towers, but I don't know what. Let's finish the fences very quickly. Mud bricks give it a nice touch. Thank you. I'm very, very proud of that, actually. It's that, isn't it? Like, I wasn't sure they were going to look great, but I really, really like how the mud bricks look. Okay. There. Still haven't done anything to the interior, but that's fine. Well, I have more stairs. Let's hop up there and see what we can do. Because I feel like I want to do something up there. I could try and mirror, actually, that thing. You know what I mean, chat? Because it already has the stairs here. So what if I just... Well, okay, that doesn't help me. We'll do... Nope, we need that. There, and that. I will honestly just do that. Yo, Gender Fluid Lucia, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. I am refurbishing the temple, yeah. This was originally a temple, and I was like, I'm going to renovate it, make it cute. Alright, how's your day, man? Hello, West Yorkshire. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Interior can always wake out the outside party. So true, so true. I always do the outside of my builds first. Yeah, this is going to look cute. Wait, I like this. I like this. Hello, hello. Welcome to chat, Gender Fluid Lucia. Hope you're doing well. There. And then we'll do the same thing that we did on the... Oh, I didn't bring slabs, but that's fine. Honestly, just do sand in there. That, and that. Oh, no, not that. That. And then I need a slab. I turned all of my sandstone. into not slabs. This is fine. No, that's not a stone cutter, Rin. Good job. Okay. Okay, now I think we can finish this. It is too hot today. I want to go on trains all day. It's hot. Oh, no. Are you at least done now? No more trains? Okay. Now, logically, I should look at how that looks before I do the other side. But I have no self-control, so we're going to do the other side anyway. Rin, hi. Hello, cat. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Bap, 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 bap. Look at that. Perfect number of mud brick stairs. It's almost like I planned it. No more trains. Food time soon instead? Oh my gosh. Well, that's iconic. Almost makes up for the heat. It's just hot everywhere right now, and that's annoying. All right, how we looking? Oh my gosh, wait, I like that a lot actually. Why am I kind of popping off? What happened here? How have I done this? I want to add more texture to that part. I need some slabs. Those, we'll just do a couple, see how this looks. Looks awesome. It's really, oh, y'all are too nice. Bap, bap, bap. I want to do like Dream. Thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. I'm thinking something like that. Yeah, that definitely helps. Just to add something on that other layer. When you're better building, give yourself credit for it. Shh. Shh. I don't want to hear it. No positivity. I don't know how to accept compliments. Does it make me do another art project on your build and I'm not even in school anymore? I mean, I wouldn't object. Okay. This is cute. I don't even know if much else needs to be done. Like, I'd call that pretty close to being done. Hello, person. Hello, Altair. I hope I said that right. Welcome to chat. Hope you're doing well. Back's here is looking so cool. Welcome back, Liz. Thank you, thank you. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. Are those... Do I want stairs on there? Do I want stairs on there? Said it perfectly? Oh my gosh, fantastic. Okay, wait, how does that look? Before I starve to death quickly. Okay, that helps. Outdoor lighting so it glows at night. Now that's a move. Oh my god, I was gonna do plants. I forgot about that. I was gonna do like leaves coming down. Make it look really overgrown. Okay, we can still maybe do that. What kind of lighting? Ideally, I would use the frog lights, but that's a lot of work. Painting coming this month. I will sob. I will actually sob. Okay, let's get some leaves first. What can I use for lighting? Mangrove. How did I miss so much wood up here? Oh my goodness. Get some vines too while I'm here. Bap, bap. There's something so satisfying about destroying leaves with shears. They just explode. Get all this while we're here. Mangrove trees are so confusing to me. Is this a whole nother tree up here that I just totally missed? Try and lantern, maybe find a way to use glowstone. Glowstone would be sick. I'm nowhere near being ready to go to the nether, though. Lanterns I could probably do. Not much, because I don't have a ton of iron. Mangrove trees. These are the worst to mine. They really are. They're so pretty, though, so I forgive them. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah! Ooh. This is fine. This is fine. Ah! Not out from under me. You know what? That can stay there. I don't need that log. Glowstone isn't used much anymore. It'd be unique. It really would. I honestly... I think I want to use glow berries. But again, I'm nowhere near being able to have the resources to get those. Like, I have not touched a mine yet on this server. But let's do some leaves moment. I always said about again, it's difficult to mine trees, and mangroves are the exception. You know what? That's valid. Welcome to chat, Plant Bones. Good to see you. Okay, how do I want to do this? I think I'm just gonna start placing stuff and see what happens. I've never been good at making stuff look natural. Something like that. Rocrons, I hope I said that right. Thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. 10 source of light and later get either of those. That's honestly a move. Big hole 2.0 for materials. That could also be a move. Hello, Metallic Flower. Welcome to chat. Hope you're doing well. And hello, Rocrons. I can't reach, and I left my scaffolding up there. I need that back. Let me stream properly. That is rude. That is so very rude of your Switch. Ah! How are you? I'm doing a solid okay. I'm doing well. I just don't have a voice. But we're vibing. I feel like this looks terrible. Yeah, that's just not good. I'm so bad at leaf placement. No, that does not work at all. I might just stick with vines. I feel like just vines might be easiest. I don't have my shears on me. We're just leaving them. Metallic Flower, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. Cool Temple, thank you, thank you. I do my best. Yoink. Yoink, yoink. No bad things spawning on my watch. Bap, bap, bap. The one leaf just up there. Bap, bap. Goodbye, leaf. Okay, I have 12 vines. Can I do 12? Oh. I'm searching for female streamers. That is a good thing to search for. We love to see it. My God, sounds a bit delayed. Ran might just be me, though. I don't think it is. There's a very good chance it is, just because my mixing software likes to do that sometimes. Really keep these just close to vines in real life, or they start more from the ground and go up. That could be a move. I'm gonna see what I can do with the vines. Sir, I can't zoom on the frog. Just plonk a couple for now. And then let them grow and then see what happens, honestly. We'll just let them do their thing and see. You should like hang out when you get back from the wedding. Okay, bet. Something like that. Bap. Bap. And then just like some other bits scattered about, maybe. It's already spread where I didn't want it to. I'm on mobile, it's definitely delayed. Cool. Very cool. Thank you, OBS. Very cool. Okay. Okay. I mean, obviously these are gonna have to grow. No, I don't think I like them. I don't think I like them. They look weird. Oh, I don't know, chat. Are you going to Comic-Con this year? I am not. I actually used to go to a bunch of local Comic-Cons, but I haven't recently. I mean, obviously, COVID happened, so then they didn't happen, and I just haven't gotten back into them yet. I really want to, though. I'm really excited for you, West Yorkshire. You're gonna love it. They're so good. I love conventions. Okay, this just does not work. I'm gonna get rid of some of it. I'm gonna leave some of it. I do not know how I feel. I do not at all. I really just left that up. That's gonna be a pain. Why did I leave that up there? It's fine. The floating bush. We will worship the floating bush, probably, knowing me. Okay, let's toss away a bunch of this stuff. No, I want that. That. Put this in here. And that, I guess. Okay, now I want to worry about lighting. And the top vines, yeah, I'm gonna let them grow. I'm gonna see what happens. See, I did not want that to go all the way across, though. But it's fine. We're gonna see what happens to them. I think other than that, though, I'm pretty much gonna call this done on the outside. The bush, so true, yep. All hail float bush, yep. That's what's gonna happen now. I like this thing. I'm actually really happy with doing that. I like this. So yeah, fluffy luscious are the bottom nooks, and we're going leaves out and going up. Actually, that could be a move, because there's like this weird 2-layer thing down here. Again, I'm not good at building bushes and stuff. I always just do that basic shape, and they're never natural looking. I don't hate that, though. Maybe? What if I just place randomly? Does that look better? No. I mean, actually. Whoop. I'm not late. I just accidentally time traveled to the future. Hi, Wraith. Welcome. Not, congrats on not being late. That doesn't look half bad over there. You know what? I'm just gonna... We're gonna work on the inside. We're gonna see what the inside does. I think... Is that mine on top? No, it's just weird looking. I think the first thing I want to try doing is making the floor mangrove, at least down here. I think upstairs that's going to be an issue because I don't want the ceiling to be mangrove because this goes straight through. But I think I want to try making it that. Oh, shoot. No, I still need to do lighting. I haven't done lighting. Ebb. I'm going to completely butcher this. We're going to go with Ebb or 3B. Bestie, I don't even know where to begin, but thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. I need lighting. Shoot. Shoot. What can I do that's quick and easy? Gotta go, bye, see you later. All right, Metallic, thanks so much for being here. I appreciate you. I will hopefully see you next stream. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Man. I wish I could make anvils. I know this trick with anvils and you use torches and they look really cool, but I don't have enough iron for that. I don't really want to make lanterns right now, and I honestly feel like torches might be the vibe. Like, they might fit the vibe of the temple. I don't know. I don't know, chat. I do not know. I need something, like, on the torches, if that makes sense. Do I own any leather? Does Womble own any leather? Hi. Hello, Paulina. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. That's a tree. No. A 1. That's not going to do much for me. Okay. What can we do here? I'm struggling, chat. I'm good, you? I'm doing quite well. Thank you for asking. Soul torches and lanterns for the rendering experience. I was just thinking that. Soul torches would look so cool. Slabs and item frames. Okay. Okay. I can work with that. I was looking for leather for item frames because I wanted to try item frames. Because the trick that I like to do when I'm just building on my own is anvils in item frames, because then they look like proper little wall holders. But slabs is a move. Oh, slabs is I just need leather. Are we about to go on an adventure for cows? I think we're about to go on an adventure for cows, chat. Oh, off we go. Actually, we're going to sleep first. Maybe? Maybe? Please? Can I sleep? Thank you. Okay. Where can we find cows? If I remember correctly, this biome is just like, it's a single desert surrounded by mangrove. So we might have to cut through the mangrove. Rabbits drop rabbit hide, right? Can you do anything with those? I don't think so. Potential cows on vibe evening? I mean, yes, but we're going to be unaliving them, so let's not get too attached. I forgot you can waterlog leaves. Well, that was awkward. It's fine, we'll just... Did I take down the cords of spawn? Absolutely not. Why would I do that? We'll remember the general direction. My bag can be made into leather, I think, but it needs a lot. Hold on. Hang on. Do I have to Google? Because, like, there are a lot of rabbits around me. 4 rabbit hides. Okay, wait. We're going back. We're going back. I'm going to try that because that sounds easier. All right, off we go. There's my desert. Let's start looking for small, innocent things to murder. Sorry, my guy. Oh god, I forgot how small and fast they are. Stop. Stop. Stop being annoying. Stop. My guy. My dude. This is pain. That didn't give me anything. This is like the first time I've ever used rabbits in this game. I never really understood them until just now. Sir? Sir? Oh my god. Sorry. Oh. Sir. You are frustrating. Thank you. Thank you for your sacrifice. Come back. This is so frustrating. This is worse than fish. Oh! It's so sad when they just yeet themselves off the mountain like that. I'm having a great time. This is going great. Yo! C-O-X-C-H. Is it couch or coach or... I don't know. Thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. I always just assume the X means there's a vowel there. Although I have been known to be wrong in making that assumption. Okay, I really thought this was going to be easier, and I don't think it is. Stop being so fast! This is so rude. What is the drop rate for a rabbit hide? The second or third time? Fantastic. That's what I like to hear. Well, welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Oh, we got one. You. Nope. They're impossible to crit. Besties, please just drop your hide. Besties, please. I feel so unnecessarily violent running around killing all the rabbits in sight, but like, the drop rate is just not good. Thank you. Any more? Any more? I think I cleared this area out. All right. Up, 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 up. Rin single-handedly sending rabbits extinct. I mean, is that such a tragedy, though? Like, what do they do in this game, realistically? I don't even think they're that cute in Minecraft. Not IRL, don't get me wrong. I have a friend who has rabbits IRL, and they are amazing. But, like, in this game, they're just kind of annoying. Exhibit A. You. Right, we're gonna have a mission for cows next stream on this server, probably. Because that is so much easier than this. I was wrong. I don't want to do it today, because I got places to be soon. But, like, next time I stream on this server, we're adventuring for cows, because I want to do a bunch of the sconces. Come back, you nerd. Okay, one more. I'll accept one more. That should be 2 leather. Home sweet home. Anyway, now that I've done some murdering. Oh, I got a foot. That's pretty sad, actually. Is it a rabbit foot I found? It was indeed. Apparently. That is not enough. Bonk, bonk. Okay, that's 2. What do we want to use? Like, I feel like sandstone might be a bit samey. No, I feel like sandstone, because it'll be inside the item frame. Let's try it. Let's try it. Where do we want them on the outside? What? Okay, yeah, that's cute. That is mad cute. We're gonna have to find some cows. I like that a lot. Okay, so we got that. Very quickly, I just want to kind of... Man, I just realized we are 3 away from 2,500. And normally I would stream until 2,500, but I physically can't today. That is so sad. Oh, just gotta manifest not hitting it offline. Anyway, I kind of want to get rid of these pillars. Oh no, I was filling it in. That's what I was in the middle of that like 2 streams ago, and then there were pillagers. Hold on. Let's do that quickly. That one was a great idea. It really was. I'm really excited about this. Like I said, I was just thinking anvils, because torches look really cool with the anvil in the item frame. But obviously that's not realistic. Oh, shoot. There we go. That makes it a little less of an awkward space, if y'all know what I mean. And then we've got these going up, which are just also a little bit awkward. And I kind of want a door here, but I never figured out how to get a door there. Unless I have trapdoors. Do I have trapdoors? I do. Let me try those. have to do like... That's not right. I don't know how to make this work. Like that. Maybe, but I want it on the outside. But then I don't have that block there. Like that does not work. Now I'm just stuck. Right, this is a problem for another day. I must sleep. But then I think we might call it here. I think we made some solid progress today, chat. We basically finished the exterior. I'm still not sure what's going to happen with plants and things, and we still need to do all the lighting. But we figured out what we're going to do for the lighting. So there's that. I'm actually really happy with this. I really like how this is turning out. I think I'm killing it, personally. And my buttons aren't working, so I gotta do it manually. Chat! Thank you so much for coming to stream today. I really appreciate it. Why is my follower goal not updated? Why is she so low? What? Why is it broken? Why? There we go. I'm killing it. That was very delayed. I love my setup. Zoe Wade, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. Why am I leaving home already? I unfortunately have somewhere to be right after stream. That's why I streamed a bit early today. But welcome to chat, Zidits. I hope I said that right. And welcome, Zoe Wade. Just rolling through my graphic card, also really my and here I am. Oh my goodness. Well, welcome, welcome. It is wonderful to have you. I am unfortunately ending. I hate ending this soon. And also I'm literally 2 away from 2,500, which is so annoying. Okay. Okay, I can't end when I'm 1 away. It's fine. It's fine. We'll, I'll just be late to the wedding. I am at 20. Oh my god, there it is. Okay, that just happened. That just happened. Okay. Zidits, thank you for the follow. And Fugal Casa, thank you for the follow. Really appreciate it. That's okay. That's 2,500. Oh boy, that is a big number. Okay. I don't even know what to say. Thank you so much, chat. Holy crap. Oh my god. Okay. I feel really bad ending now. But unfortunately, I do have to hit the road. It's not actually the wedding tonight. It's only the rehearsal dinner tonight. But I probably shouldn't be late for that. So, unfortunately, I am going to go ahead and call it here. Congrats. Thank you, Fugal. I hope I'm saying your name right. Welcome to chat. Your voice is cute. Aw, thank you. I'm actually losing my voice right now. So this isn't how it usually sounds. We'll celebrate later. Yeah. I mean, I'm going to be in the car for like 3 hours, so I'll probably chat with y'all. And don't forget, 2:30. 2:30. All right, let me drop some links very quickly. I can't type. There is my Discord. If you're going to click any of these links, click that one. It is the most important place to stay up to date on everything that I do, and also just a really fun place to hang out. There's my Twitter, also good for updates, and I don't know, I think I'm pretty funny. There is my YouTube. Chat, today, in like an hour and a half, I am making my return to YouTube, so make sure you're subscribed. I've got a really fun video coming at you guys at 2:30, and I'm getting back into uploading a little bit more regularly, at least for the summer. I've got 2 or 3 videos planned, so it's gonna be good. Here is my VODs channel. I upload there 3 times a week. Almost all of my VODs are there if you want to get caught up on anything, or if you miss anything, or if you just need something to listen to while you fall asleep. There's my merch store. I have merch. Buy my merch. Please. I have a limited edition Pride design that is going away at the end of June, so make sure you grab that while you can if you want it. And finally, there is every single one of my socials. Everywhere I exist on the internet is in that link. If you want to follow me everywhere, you'll be my favorite, but don't tell the others. And with that, I am unfortunately going to go ahead and end. But Thank you so much. You're going to be late. No. I just needed to end by 1. That was my goal. So I'm actually a little bit early, which means I can finish packing because I was supposed to finish packing before stream, but here we are. Chat, thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate every single one of you. My next stream will be on Sunday at 3 p.m. EST. There's a tiny chance that that's going to have to get pushed back a little bit depending on when I come back from the wedding. But I will let you know. Obviously, join my Discord. That's where I will announce it first of all. And I will also change it on my Twitch schedule page if I need to. So then that shows in your own time zone. So just stay tuned. Should be at 3. Might be at 4 or 5, but stay tuned. And with that, thank you again for being here. I really appreciate you. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Have a great weekend until I see you on Sunday. And hi, Rick Clouds! Hi, bestie! I am unfortunately like literally 30 seconds from ending, but I appreciate you dropping by. Oh, man. This is so sad. I hate doing short streams. The timing! No! Oh, no. It's fine. I'll be live again on Sunday. Normal time on Sunday, most likely. I'm like waiting for the follower goal to update, but it's not going to. It's fine. I can see it. Just can't see it on OBS. Anyway, thank you guys. I love you all so very much. And I will see you Sunday. Bye! Bye, chat. Bye, bye, bye.